Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Jabra Elite 3 earbuds. If you are having issues where they are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not making sound properly, or maybe sound is only coming out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues, and it's very simple to do. Just keeping in mind, once you do the hard reset, you will need to repair these with any devices because it will have forgotten any of the devices that it was previously paired with. But if you're ready to do that, it's very simple. We're going to come in here what we're going to do is we're going to have the earbuds like shown here in the case with the top open on the case, and we'll just come in and we're going to press and hold both Jabra, where it says Jabra. Press and hold those two buttons. We're just going to press and hold them, and it takes 5 to 10 seconds, and you'll know it when the indicator lights on both of the earbuds will quickly blink pink. That will indicate that the reset has began. Just wait a few seconds for it to complete, then you can close the case, open the case back up, and it will go back into attempting to pair, and you can add it to whatever device you want to use.